Hi, welcome you all to the Crypto Singh Show, and my name is Gunpreet Singh, and we talk about Bitcoin, Metaverse, NFT, everything on this show every single day. What's happening with the green Bitcoin market? How long will this market last, or the bull market is back? Everything in today's show. Welcome you all to the show. Now, what's happening with the Bitcoin market? Well, we've been seeing a lot of greens coming in, and we've been trying to shoot to 25,000. Since I'm making the video at this point of time, we got rejected from 24,000 pretty much. Now, does that mean that are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Well, in my opinion, I think we're overextended. And I'm of the strong opinion right now that you got to stay out of it. I would say that we're very near to taking shots in the sense that some of the alts you can take, you can go and take the shots, and I personally feel a lot of these alts will pull back now. Let's talk about our targets. It's something I really want to highlight here. Apart from the market, look, in December we told you that Matic, when it was at literally at 50 cents, 60 cents, we told you this is going to go to 1.15, and it did touch that. ADA, we predicted that it touched that. All of these actually, the cryptos that we spoke about at the time, that so one thing, please try and understand that even if you've missed the train, you thought that. Now I think what happens is when Bitcoin price reaches 24,000, 25,000, you're going to have retail regretting that. It's a FOMO that, look, we missed out, and now they would be itching to put the money in. Is exactly when you should not be putting the money in. Look, it might go to 70,000 tomorrow, it might go to 80,000, but we have to safeguard our money. We might lose out on an opportunity, but let's not lose out on the money we have. Now the opportunity will come. It's very rare. Even let's say it goes to 70,000. It's not that it's gonna go tomorrow to 70,000. It's gonna create a pattern. It's gonna go high. It's gonna sell off. It's gonna come down, and then you'll again get an opportunity to invest. So as a safe trader, as a sensible person, it always makes sense to trade in when you're sure of, you're 70-80% sure that this market seems to be getting better. Saying that, I still think I'm still on my bearish trend. I don't think this market is bullish. I still think it's bearish. It's overextended. It's fine right now. This is what we predicted in Jan. Now, December end. Coming back to the predictions that we made, be it Matic, be it ADA, be it Solana, I think we've just been bang on target with all our predictions. We told you exactly when to invest. And literally at the bottom, we told you to invest. And now we are at the highs, I feel. So if you've been following our videos, then you've definitely been making money. And if you're not following our videos, then you should follow our videos, because we've been giving you the predictions, which I don't think anyone else has been giving so accurate predictions. And it's not just predictions, it's not some rocket science I'm doing. It's just about the charts and, being simple, looking charts in a simpler way rather than getting all kind of parameters into it to confuse your own brain. So it's probably the simplest thing that we do is just look at the chart and tell you in a simplest way that where we're heading to. I still personally believe we're still at a trend where we will have a downtrend. We're not at, this is not, bull market isn't back. I think there's slightly more to this market. Now, this is when, but this, in my opinion, would be one of the last chances for us to get back at the bottom. So be ready with your funds now. Be ready to buy in now. Market seems to be getting better. Everyone has forgotten what happened with FTX. Everyone seems to be forgotten what, decentralization is, what centralization is. I think everyone is back to put their money in, because it's funny, but how the human psyche works, as soon as the money starts increasing, we forget everything else, because that doesn't matter. What matters is money. If you're making money, who cares what's happening behind the scenes, isn't it? But let's not forget what's happening, because it's not just about making money. It's also about believing in the system. And when you believe in the system, you need to believe that certain things are to be done in the right way. For example, like I still believe decentralized exchanges are the way forward, and centralized exchanges aren't really the way forward, because the entire Bitcoin concept is decentralized. So why would we have a centralized exchange? But anyway, saying that, that's that's not something I'm here to talk about today. I've already spoken about this so many times in my previous videos. So go check that out and understand what this entire concept is. But saying that, the prices, we've been really going high, and I think everything has just doubled up, 100%, 200% returns, 300% in bear market. I think it's huge, massive returns. Time to get back, time for the pullbacks have come in, I think. And I think now the pullbacks would start. I don't think we're crossing 25,000. I could be wrong. I would love to be wrong, actually, to be fairly honest. But I think we're overextended. And that's what is happening with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with all the other coins. And there was a video I made 2-3 days back. Now listen, if you're liking the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. I mean, come on, that's just one click that you need to do, is just press that subscribe button. You could do that much. So if I made a video 2-3 days back where I did say that, alts are taking slightly, like Bitcoin is getting more bullish than the alts. So now it seems like we're almost at the end of that run where Bitcoin would just pop up and then everything starts going down back again, and the alts would go down even more. So that is what is happening, in my opinion. And I think it's the time for you to be ready with the funds, because with markets reaching 25,000, if we dip down below, I think the markets would be picked up, like would be bought up as soon, like very soon. So I don't think you're gonna have a long time consolidating there. I think the part of consolidation has been done, but this would be one last shot where I think it's gonna just get everyone out. People who think that Bitcoin is going, are strong hands, and they've been holding that it's going to go up now. 25,000 we might reach 50,000. I think it's going to just shake that one last bit, and then we really start moving up in a better way. So I think the consolidation part has been done, but this time around you will have a bit of kind of a spike going down and then spike being bought up. So that is what is happening with the crypto market. And hopefully, you have to understand, we have March coming in, we have few decisions by the Fed coming in, the closing is coming in, financial accounting, taxes. So there's a lot coming in between Feb to March, I think, is where you really need to be careful again. And I think the trend, the bullish Jan is gone. Now let's see what February brings in, but I think it's not going to be as strong as we would like it to be. So that's all for now. And if you're liking the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Signing off, Gunpreet Singh from the Crypto Singh Show. Bye bye. Take care.